Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Ma'am and Sir.
Can you introduce yourself?
I'm Julieta Bustillo. I'm 44 years old, single.
How many brothers and sisters do you
I have 2
have?
brothers and 2 sisters.
And you are the?
I am 4 of the family.
Okay, so where are you living right now?
I'm living at Valenzuela City.
Do you have any experience in working abroad before as a domestic helper?
Yes, I have work experience before in Bahrain.
How many are them in the family?
3,
How long did you stay in that employer?
2 years.
So you finished your contract with them?
I finished.
How about in the Philippines? You have been experienced working as a domestic helper?
I have experience here in Philippines.
Who is your employer?
Canlas family.
How many are them in the family?
3,
How long did you stay in that employer?
2 years.
So you finished your contract with them too?
Yes, I finished.
Okay, what are your main duties in your previous employer?
Cleaning inside and outside the house, gardening, cooking, washing clothes by hands, ironing.
Why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
Because of the high salary compared of the other countries, I want to save and to earn money for my future and to help my family as well.
Okay, so do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
I know like steamed fish, dry vegetable, steamed chicken.
Okay, are you willing to learn more?
I'm willing to learn more the Chinese food.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, I'm willing, ma'am.
Okay, how about an elder person?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what can you teach to your employer's children?
I will teach good manners, writing, speech English, reading.
Okay, can you sing a nursery song?
Baba black sheep, have you very wool? Yes, sir, please bamboo. One for the little boy, one for the...
Okay, thank you. Now, what kind of employer are you looking for?
Nice, understanding.
Are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No.
So you're willing to take care of pets?
Yes.
Okay, what can you say about yourself, your attitude?
I'm honest, hardworking, obedient.
Okay, can you give a short message to your future employer so that they will hire you?
I hope you will be chosen me as your helper, and I finished in 2 years contract, and I'm hardworking.
Okay, is that all?
Hope to see you in Hong Kong, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Okay, thank you.